In this video, learn how to properly care for the MACI ABPI-MD, as well as its accessories. Correct cuff folding and maintenance. Correct cuff folding is important to ensure the durability of the cuffs and accuracy of the measurement. Hold the cuff in a way so that its inner side is turned up. Check that the bladder isn't twisted. First, fold the part of the cuff with the bladder inside and then wrap the rest of the cuff loosely around it. This is the appropriate way to store the cuffs when not in use. Do not roll the cuffs, crumple them, or leave them unfolded. The ABPI-MD stand provides safe and easy storage for the cuffs, preventing the cuff's tubes from tangling and damage. Make sure to detach the cuff's tubes if you plan to not use the device for a longer period of time. Do not wash the cuffs or immerse them in water. Do not use aggressive cleaning agents, volatile liquids, or excessive force when cleaning the device or the cuffs. Instead, use a quick-drying disinfectant, preferably in wipe form. In case of open wounds, protect the wounds with adequate impermeable dressing prior to applying the cuffs. The use of protective sleeves is recommended. For charging, only use the original ABPI-MD adapter, otherwise the device may be damaged. Fully charge the device when its battery is almost empty, then unplug it when the battery is full. Also, if you plan not to use the device for longer than 1 month, make sure to fully charge the battery beforehand in order to avoid malfunctions. Service and calibration. To ensure the accuracy of the MACI ABPI-MD, an annual calibration is required. A calibration reminder will trigger shortly before the next calibration date to remind you to arrange a calibration. In order for the calibration reminder to appear on time, please make sure the time and date on your device are set correctly at all times and the calibration reminder is turned on. Calibration and service can only be performed by MACI or a MACI authorized distributor. By performing any unauthorized services or calibrations, you risk voiding the warranty. Please contact MACI or a MACI authorized distributor in case of issues or faults.